Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. I am Ananda from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see about how to collect logs from EDC version 10.5. We will move on to agenda for the video. I am going to demonstrate how to collect below listed logs from the EDC version 10.5. Let's move on to the demonstration part. First we will see about where to find catalog service log and cluster service log from EDC domain machine. Log in into your EDC domain machine and go inside Infra home path, and there you can find logs directory. Inside that you can find a subdirectory of the node name which you have configured, and then go inside services directory and you can find log directory for all the Informatica services which are configured in EDC domain. To get the catalog service log, go inside catalog service directory and there you can find the ldm.log for the respective catalog service. Similarly, to get ics.log, go inside Infra Hadoop directory from services directory. And you can find ics.log for the cluster service configured on EDC domain.
Cluster application service logs are configured to store under cluster custom directory. To get the cluster custom directory information, log in into EDC admin console, go to manage and service and nodes. Under service and nodes, go to your respective cluster service created and configured. Under Informatica cluster option, you can find a cluster custom directory property set.
Next we will see about Nomad, Solar, MongoDB and Zookeeper logs on EDC domain. To get these logs, log in into your respective cluster machine and go to your cluster custom directory configured on cluster services. Inside cluster custom directory, you can see Postgres, Mongo, Nomad and Solar application services directories created during EDC installation. To get Nomad logs, go inside Nomad directory and Nomad client directory has all the service logs related to Nomad. Similarly, to get the Solar service logs, go inside Solar directory. Inside that, data and the logs directory holds all the service related logs for Solar. Next we will move on to MongoDB logs. To obtain MongoDB logs, go inside Mongo directory. Inside that you can find the log directory for Mongo services. And this directory holds the Mongo logs for the services. Next we will see how to collect Postgres logs. To get the Postgres logs, go inside Postgres directory and it holds the logs directory for the Postgres services. Inside logs directory, you can find the postgres.log file for the Postgres service. Next we will see about Zookeeper logs. From the cluster custom directory, go inside Zookeeper directory. There you can find install. Inside install directory, you have to go inside Apache Zookeeper. And inside this directory, you can find logs directory for the Apache Zookeeper. To acquire the logs for Apache Zookeeper, go inside the logs directory, and there you can see Zookeeper audit and Zookeeper server logs for the Zookeeper service. Refer to the following document for more information. We would love to hear from you on any suggestion or feedback that will help us in improving our video content. With this, I am closing the video. Thank you.